how to enable or disable overscan on Devant Smart TV. Okay, you'll have to do is go to your remote and press the menu button. Okay guys, here, go to settings. In settings, okay, go to feature. In picture, go to picture mode settings. Here in picture mode settings, scroll down and go to overscan. Okay, the overscan is enabled. Okay, you can see the check mark on the right side. So if this enable, change the video size settings to crop the edge of the display image. And okay, the overscan is enabled. To disable this, you'll have to do is uncheck or turn off the switch button on the right side of this overscan. And okay guys, we have successfully disabled. And to enable again the overscan, you'll have to do is press again the overscan and to see the check mark on the right side of this to enable. And that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled overscan on Devant Smart TV.